Patrol Sneeze Compilation. Day 5 coming up now. My name's Fall Zebra fan Eevee and Eli the Cat fan. And I found who my Day 5 character is. Guess what? It's Sky. So I'm not going to make a long intro. So let's go.
Need you to take care of the sniffly pups. I'll see if Katie can come by and help. Sky, I need you to use your goggles and cocker to help find the missing pigs.
This bus got
Oh no, Sky, you too?
I have to stay here, huh? But your little smell's turning me into a big sneezer. I'll take this ride. Let's go inside. Paw Patrol, ready for action, Rider, sir.
Please don't pick me.
Chase is on the... Excuse me. On it. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Pop's gonna... Ugh. Ew. Woo! Wow. Aw, do we have to be you? Who needs a drink?
Keep sniffing, pups. We're getting close.
Oops.
Achoo!
Oops.
Sorry. Achoo!
Excuse me.
Zuma, I need you and your buoy. If Farmer Owl's pigs end up in the creek, we'll need you to bring them to shore.
I'm ready to say Suma's Chronicle 2. If I'm ill, I better chill. Picking me. I'm a little allergic to feathers. Uh-oh. Huh? Now let's see if we can find out what's wrong. Excuse me, another one? But wait, that one's way closer to the danger zone. What if I sneeze and scare her? Uh-oh. That tickles my nose. Cut! Sorry, Suma's tail tickled my nose. Oh my god, Sky, you did it! This pup's gonna fly! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Alright, let's go! I'll see you on my day 6 of the Paw Patrol Sneeze Compilation. Well, look at the time. At the time. Sorry. See you later, guys. See you on my day 6. Meow.